Max saw Clara on the way to school.
Guess what, Clara? My tooth is loose.
Can I see?
Max opened his mouth and wiggled his tooth.
Yep, your tooth is loose.
Max and Clara saw Emma.
Guess what, Emma? Max has a loose tooth.
Can I see?
Max wiggled his tooth for Emma.
Yep, you have a loose tooth. It feels like it is going to come out. My brother pulled out my loose tooth. He tied a string around it. He pulled the string and the tooth came out. I can pull out your tooth. No, I don't want my tooth to come out. Oops.
Clara saw Marco.
Guess what, Marco? Max has a loose tooth. But he doesn't want it to come out.
Why not, Max?
It will hurt. Oh, I like this part. I don't. It will not. Boom!
Marco scared Max. Max's hand flew up and hit his tooth.
My tooth came out.
Yep,
And it didn't hurt, did it?